When we talk about the observer is the observed, what we're really saying is that the one that's observing experience is itself the actual experience. Because if there is nothing other than perception, notice that perception, the thing that perceives, is the one perceiving it. You're experiencing it as a perception. Now, the perception isn't a separate thing. This is the thing. Look, go to the fact of being aware. That's obviously the thing that is aware of your experience, right? What else could be aware of your experience other than the one that is aware of it? Obviously, it's that. So go to the awareness aspect and then try and find some kind of separation between the perception faculty, namely, let's just say sensation, and the awareness of it. So you can do this with your fingers. You can tap your fingers together and just experience what is there in that experience. Do you find two separate things? Do you find a sensation and awareness with a border between them that you can say, yes, the sensation is here and the awareness is there, and I can see the border, it's right there, that's where awareness is and that's where the sensation is? Can you find that? Of course not. The only thing you find is the absolute unity between awareness and the fact of sensing. There's no distance between it. You can't separate those two things. Now, if they were separate, you should be able to separate them because they would be separate. So the evidence would be right there, right? If there's a difference between a cloud and the sky, I should see the sky and I should see the cloud and I should be able to say, this is the sky, this is the cloud. Now, is the sensation like a cloud and is awareness like the sky? Is there two separate things there taking place? Of course not. The minute there is a sensation, you cannot separate the awareness of it. And the minute the awareness is there of the sensation, you can't take the sensation away from the awareness. If you took the sensation away from awareness, where would it even be? You wouldn't be sensing anything at that stage. So the sensation is limited to awareness, but awareness is not limited to the sensation. So notice that your entire experience, the primary background, the blanket, the fabric of your experience is awareness, and awareness is like a continuously perpetuating on switch that is continuously vibrating in the form of your entire experience. So every sound, every smell, every sensation, they're like vibrations of awareness